Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. And if it's your first time here, thanks for visiting. So today is Monday, September 3rd or 4th. I did a video back on, I think it was July 10th. And I haven't put it out yet. It's sitting in the can waiting. But this has been a very wet, very rainy summer for us here in New Hampshire and probably the entire Northeast. As a result of all that rain, I've been getting flooded. There were a couple of times I got flooded across my lawn here with rain coming down the hill across my lawn. And it flooded my barn and went under my house and into my basement. So I had to do something about that flooding. So this one day, it was Monday, July 10th, something like that. There was a big storm coming and we knew we were going to get flooded. So I came home early, grabbed my tractor and did a little bit of dirt work to prevent the flooding. And so I'll show you that video now. I did another intro to that video, but it was even much longer than this. And I just wasn't happy with it. So I'm finally getting around to doing a better video. So I'll show you what I had to do. It was basically a continuation of some ditch work that the prior owner had done, and I'm trying to finish it up. So stick around and thanks for watching. Okay, well the rain is coming. So this is going to have to do for now. I'm going to put the berm right along in here. That'll be good temporarily. And what I should have done was a review on the Milwaukee mini chainsaw. This thing is fantastic. So some other day I'll do the review on this. Alright, let's get the dirt, make a berm here. Now you can see the water that's already in here, and that's just from the little bit of rain that we had. So when it pours, this ditch should fill up. So I'll have to come back out later on and look at this ditch when it's raining heavily. All right. Okay, I'm hoping this holds back the flood waters. The rain's coming in now. So I'll have to come out here later when it's raining hard and see what it does, but I'm hoping that works temporarily. I decided to cut that tree down because it was right in the way, and I wanted to build that little bit of a berm right in there, continue the berm over from over here to over there. So let's see how it does.